What up, y'all? So it's extra early in the morning, but I guess it's true that you start spending money on one car, the other car get jealous and start messing up. So radiator hose is out, battery is out, airbox is out. Uh, I got some sort of leak in this radiator over here. I thought it might have been the hose, but I don't see any problems in this hose. As soon as you fill it up, like before I took the hose off, once you filled it up, water was just leaking like crazy out this side, but not from up here at the hose. So there's no water anywhere else on here. So I'm thinking it's got to be a crack somewhere. So and it's still wet in here. So something is cracked in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this radiator out. I already got these loose. So take these bolts out, battery out, hose out. I took this out just to make sure I had some space, but this is coming back out, and got to get this loose so will be out the way, and then it'll just be time to unbolt this stuff and lift it up. I already got the fans unplugged, and bottom hose got to come out, and these transmission coolers got to come out, which I think it's like a little clamp in here or something. So I'll figure that out in a second, but yeah, jealous little cars, man. All right, so finally got the radiator out. Condenser is still in here. This hooks to the radiator, like it drops down onto it, these little square openers. So that was kind of weird, but that drops onto the radiator. Same way the fans do. The fans drop on like right here. So I'm upside down. This is the top right here. So fans drop on here. This is full of water right now, but the condenser drops on this side. So you got to lift up the condenser to get that loose so you can get the radiator out. Probably should have had the front bumper off to be able to kind of maybe be able to reach the condenser from the front and lift it up, but I was able to reach around and get it. I might end up taking this bumper off when I put it back on just to hopefully make it a little easier. But anyway, it's out. And the problem is this little crack right there. And it looks like it goes all the way down like that. So I say little, but big enough. Might be one there too. But yeah, crack in the radiator. This is plastic, so that cracked. I was hoping it was the hose, but the hose was good, so turns out to be this crack. So I gotta go get another radiator. About to run to AutoZone and probably Advance because I don't think either one of them has the radiator in stock. So I'm gonna have to get it ordered. Hopefully it could be in later today. But yeah, so this one gonna have to hold me through. All right, so Advance Auto, they don't have it. They're saying 4 days to get one in, so I ain't got 4 days. So we on to, I think AutoZone is the next one on the street, so we're gonna check them, and if they ain't got it, then we're going to O'Reilly's. So, all right, so we at AutoZone. $222 later, we got us a radiator. Well, got one ordered, so I gotta wait probably 2 hours or so for it to get in. But got the radiator, got some coolant. So just finna find something to do for a couple hours, and then come back up here and get this radiator and put it back together. And hopefully this car will act right now. All right, so finally got the radiator. It's like 5 o'clock, so it's been all day wait. I did the thermostat in between wait time, so that's a different video if you want to see that. It'll be linked in here somewhere. But yeah, now I'm about to go to the house and try to get this thing put in before it gets dark. So all right, so new radiator finally here. It's got the transmission line clips already in it and everything, so I gotta take the little clips out so I can put the lines in, so I don't have to reuse the old clips, which think they're in this box, so I don't have to reuse those. So thermostat is in, housing is bolted up, all the hoses is hooked up. So all I gotta do now is drop this new radiator in, snap this condenser on top of it, and then drop these fans in, and we should be good to go. I got some new coolant, got a couple gallons of coolant, so that shouldn't be a problem. So I'll fill that up, and yeah, should be good after that.